Hey guys, Plush Craziness here, and today I am back with another video. And yeah, so I am here with Ultimate Custom Night. Who should I? Oh, I forgot it was muted. Whoops. Sorry. Who should I put? Just because I want to do it, and I'm looking for some. I like Freddy. Well, he's not my favorite character, but yeah, I'll just do it. Whatever. Alright, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. So, Freddy, where you at, bro? Don't mind this in the corner. That's annoying. Or, if you guys can't see it, then that is good. Because I can see it on the screen, and it annoys me because it's like sitting there. It used to be down like here. So, sorry I haven't played this for you guys yet, but I'm just doing it, like just now. He's there, isn't he? Right. Click it, click it.
How may I be of service to you?
What I do need is that. Oh, he's going closer. Oh, his nose doesn't work. Oh, I'm dead. Oh man. And I'm gonna die. Okay, we understand, Candy Cadet. You're broken. And malfunctioning. Ah, classic. Oh man, I miss that sound from the first game. I'm going to try one more round. Thanks, Rockstar Freddy. I didn't almost call him Rockstar Foxy. Oh wait, yeah. Let me know what game you guys want me to play next down in the comment section below. Oh yeah, vent system. Okay. 10% more power. Reset ventilation. All I need to do is just click S and then click on the one that Withered Chica goes for. I am not doing so good. Again. It's a little nerve-wracking. You don't know when it's gonna happen. Shh. I am not going to let her jump scare me. Sorry about that. I'm not even checking the cameras.
Me bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
I'm sorry because my brother's in the background. He's doing stuff that he's not supposed to be done. Don't you think about going this way. Oh, 3 a.m. with 37% power. 36. I'm gonna end it right when I die this time. All you have to do is wait until I hear the thunk. Then hold on 1 second. Okay, anyway. Sorry about that. 4 a.m. 17 power. Do I really need to reset my ventilation? So. I'm not really a big fan of this part. Click. Oh, dang it. I'll wait till I die and then I'll hear Withered Chica's beautiful, ugly voice. Oh, I'm getting bored. Wow! I did it! Yay! Well, guys, anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll probably play this next video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!